Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this little website here called Paid Reels. Okay, it says monetize your time watching videos for free and actually get paid instead. Pretty interesting stuff. Let's see if you can really make money just by watching videos and watching ads, okay? And how much can you really earn? Because they're making some very big income claims here. They're saying you can make over $1,000 a week just from watching video ads, all right? So let's check this out to see whether this is legit. Is this a really good use of your time? And should you be actually doing something like this, or are there better ways, right? Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email if you would like to check it out. Now, I've reviewed hundreds of different ways to make money online, lots of different, video watching websites like Paid Reels, lots of other business models, filling out surveys, doing MLM, doing business models, all sorts of different courses and strategies to make money online. And some of them are great and you can potentially make a lot of money, but a lot of them don't really pay out that much, and some of them are straight up scams, okay? So let's take a look at Paid Reels to see how this stands up to all the other opportunities that I've reviewed. Now, this is a very interesting platform. It looks like a great website, to be honest. When you come on here, you may have seen this because people were talking about it on social media. That's generally how these kind of websites start to get very big. People will promote it. They'll use their referral link because you can grab a referral link, right? And you get paid for referring people to join this kind of platform as well. People will make videos on, saying that they've made money and stuff like that. And that's why these kind of websites tend to grow very, very big. But let's see if this is really legit or not, right? That's a big question, okay? So if you kind of scroll down here, you can see here, look, earn every 30 seconds. It's crazy, right? It says you can earn money every 30 seconds. Minimal withdrawal is $15, and you can earn up to $1,120 per week. That is a lot of money for watching video ads. Now, before I continue doing this review, I just want to let you know that I have done a lot of reviews on video watching platforms, and not a single one of them that is legit will allow, will allow you to earn anywhere close to $1,000 a week. Okay, so for me, that is already a red flag. All right, because I've been doing this for a while, I know what the industry pays out, and for Paid Reels to come out and say that they're paying like 100 times more than what the average legit video paying service pays, that to me just seems too good to be true. All right, so let's take a look and see whether these guys are really the real deal or not. That's very, very important. Okay, so it looks good. It says time to turn a profit, blah blah blah. You can watch videos and earn up to $1,120 per week. This all looks really, really nice as well. And they've got some numbers here. You don't know if these numbers are real or not, to be honest, okay? But it looks like a really good, legit website, okay? Now, here is the interesting thing about this site, right? If you log in, okay, first of all, you can do this from anywhere in the world. So as long as you have an internet connection, you can log into this particular website. Now, when you log in, what's going to happen is you're going to see a whole bunch of videos that you can watch. They have a section called Paid Reels TV, and when you log into the Paid Reels TV section, all it is it's just a whole bunch of YouTube videos, okay? And every time you click on a YouTube video, it'll play. You get to watch it for about 30 seconds, and after you watch the video for 30 seconds, they will credit 25 cents to your account. All right, so it looks like everything is legit. It looks, quote unquote, like everything is legit. All right, now the thing is that with this type of platform, this is actually a paid platform. All right, with most legit paid video websites, it's not a paid platform. That means it's 100% free. Okay, so like Hideout TV, for example, is a legit video watching platform. It is 100% free because they make money from showing you ads. And then they pay you a tiny little bit of money, nothing close to 25 cents. They'll just pay you, usually it's 1/10 of a cent for every video that you watch, and every video can range from 30 seconds to 5 minutes or 10 minutes, okay? Whereas with Paid Reels, it's very specific, the videos are very short, and they pay you 25 cents per video, which is extremely high. It doesn't really make sense at all, because technically, if they're using the same business model, and they are, it looks like it anyway, they can't pay you out that much money because they don't even make that much money from showing you the ads, okay? So what's the catch here, right? Well, the catch is Paid Reels is a paid platform, okay? So if you look at this, it says start 7-day trial for free, okay? 7 days free trial, right? And the way it works is there are different price points to join Paid Reels, okay? So At the free level only lasts 7 days, right? And at the free level, basically what you're allowed to do is you can watch 4 paid videos per day. You will earn 25 cents per video. You will earn $1 per day. You will earn $7 per week, right? That's if you're watching 4 videos a day. The problem is that they have a 7-day free trial, and after that, you have to become a paid member. That means after 7 days, you have to upgrade to one of the higher accounts. And they've got a lot of accounts. They've got basic, premium, pro, all the way to legend, legend level, okay? So it starts at $45 per year, and it ends at $4,000 per year. It's a lot of money, okay? We'll talk about how this actually works in a second, right? Now at the free level, let's come back here to the free level, right? So they call it free, but actually you can't withdraw this money, because what happens is after 7 days, you are forced to upgrade, and their minimum withdrawal is $10. That means that if you stay on the free plan, you can't withdraw your money because you will never hit $10. Does that make sense? So again, this is kind of like a sneaky way to quote unquote force you to upgrade to one of the paid levels. All right? Because what they want to do is they want to make it look like you're actually making money inside the program and force you to upgrade. Okay? Now let's look at some of the programs, right? So let's look at the $45 program, right? So if you update for $45 a year, it says that you can watch 8 videos, earn same thing, 25 cents per video, which means that you'll be earning $2 a day, which means that you'll be earning 14 videos a week, which means that per month you'll be earning $60. So basically, if you upgrade to the $45 level, within the first month, if you continuously watch 8 videos a day, you will earn your money back. You will make $15 in profit, right? And then if you keep going, per year, you'll make $720, which means that your profit is 720 minus the $45 investment, which means that you profited $675 that year. Okay, so it sounds pretty good, right? You're like, ooh, it sounds pretty good. I should definitely upgrade. All right, now if this was 100% true, then it would make sense that this is a great way to make money. All right, now let's continue, and I'll share with you why this might not be what it actually looks like. Okay, so let's scroll down to the most, the highest plan, right? Now the highest plan is called the Legends account. It's a lot of money. It's $4,000 per year. Okay, now what would tend to happen is if you start in one of the lower plans, what a lot of people will do, they'll start with a free plan, right? Because it's 100% free. They will watch 4 videos a day, and they'll see that they're actually making money in their account every single day. $1 a day, $1 a day, $1 a day. You get to the end of your 7-day free trial, and then they force you to upgrade. So what a lot of people will do is they will upgrade to the first level, the basic level, which is $45. Okay, they want to see, you'll probably want to see if you can actually make money from something like this, right? So you do the first month, and you realize that actually you can make money within the first month, and you can even withdraw. Okay, so you can actually withdraw. That's the thing about this type of website, right? It's not that you can't withdraw. You can initially if you're lucky. All right, it depends on when you get into the program. Okay, so as long as it's active, you can withdraw. And so what happens is after you get into the basic account and you see that you've actually made money, you've made $15 in profit, right? Because it costs $45 and you make $60 that month. You decide, okay, this is something that I can really make money with. So you're gonna upgrade to the highest level that you can, right? Because now you've proof of concept. It looks like you can make money, okay? So whatever money you can get together, everyone's different. Maybe you can get to the, the $600 level, the elite level. Maybe you sell your car or whatever, all your months. Maybe you borrow money from your friend, or maybe you figure out a way to get to the Legends level, right? Now let's look at the Legends level. It's a lot of money, $4,000 a year, right? But you can watch 100 videos a day. They will pay you $1.60 per video. Why would they pay you $1.60 for a 30-second video? Think about that. It doesn't make sense, right? Remember how I said earlier in this video that I've reviewed hundreds of video watching ad platforms, okay? None of them will pay anywhere close to $1.60 per video. This is a made-up number made up by paidreels. That's what I'm thinking, okay? Because the most legit video ad watching platforms will only pay you between 1 cent and 1/10 of a cent for every video that you watch. That means you have to watch hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos to even make anywhere close to $1, okay? Yet, these guys will pay you $1.60 for every 30-second video that you watch. Doesn't that sound too good to be true? That's a massive red flag for me, right? So again, the numbers don't make sense here, okay? So anyway, Legends account, $4,000, you make $1.60 per video, which means that you can earn $160 a day, which means that per month you can make $4,800. So that means in the first month you'll be in profit, and per year you can apparently make $57,600. Think about that for a second. That sounds way too good to be true, right? But what's going to happen is people will try and upgrade to the highest level because they think, okay, this seems like a legit website. I made some money earlier. I withdrew the money, so it must be legit. I'm going to upgrade all the way to the end, right? And then what happens is at some point, this website will shut down, okay? And then what happens is everybody who made money in the earliest stages of the business have made that money. But if you invest a bigger amount, let's just say $1,200, but you only made $300 back, then you've lost money. Or somebody who invested $4,000, but they only made $2,000 back, then they lost $2,000. Does that make sense? So this is basically like a Ponzi scheme. I know it's a very, very clever Ponzi scheme where basically all the new members that come in at the different levels are paying for all the members that come in later. Okay, that's how it works. That's how they're able to pay 80 cents a video or $1.60 a video, or even over here at 50 cents a video. I mean, you can't even offer 50 cents a video because they can't make enough money through ad revenue to pay you out that much. All right, so I would be very, very, very careful with this website. There was another website that I reviewed, okay, exactly like this, where it was the exact same structure. Those guys might even own this website. They just rebranded everything, right? And some people made money. Don't get me wrong, guys, whoever's watching this video, some people will make money from this website. I'm not saying that you can't make money from it, right? But the thing is that it's not a sustainable business model because it's built off nothing. No paid advertising platform like YouTube will pay you this much money for watching a 30-second video. It's just not possible. YouTube's business model does not pay you that much in ad revenue, okay? So for a website like paidreels to do that, for me, it's a massive red flag because they're making the numbers up. YouTube will not pay you anywhere close to $1.60 per 30-second video that you watch. If it was that easy to make money from ad revenue, then everybody would be doing it, right? So there's something more sinister going on here, and it's basically it's a video ad watching Ponzi scheme. It's crazy, right? So again, let me just repeat myself, right? So what's happening is they're making it look like you're making money because you actually are, right? But what's happening is all the newer members who are paying for these membership fees are basically paying for future members who are coming out, and then at some point it's going to get so big, they're bringing in so many people that these guys are going to want to do an exit. So it's an exit scam basically, right? And at some point, it could be a year from now, it could be 2 years from now, it could be 6 months from now, right? And then what will happen is you might make a little bit of money depending on when you came into the pyramid, but eventually it will shut down. And then if you came in later, because it looks like you're making money, right? So maybe you invest in the first 45 and you made your $45 back, then you upgrade to 279, and then maybe you upgrade to 2,799, and then they shut down straight away, right? It could be 6 months from now, it could be a year from now, it could be 2 years from now, but you at some stage you would lose money if you're not careful. All right, so just be very, very careful with websites like this because it looks really enticing, right? And a lot of people have lost money from websites like this, okay? So I would just completely stay away from it. You might be able to make some short-term money if you're lucky, if you time it correctly, but you don't know when these guys are going to disappear. And again, like I mentioned, there was another website that I reviewed that was exactly like this, and some people made money and then the website disappeared, just gone overnight. And then a lot of people lost a ton of money. If that website, which is exactly the same as paidreels, was 100% legit, where did it go? Why did they close down? Why did they, get people to lose their money? Why did they steal money from people, right? Doesn't make sense. So just to be very, very careful, I would probably stay away from a website like this because just too many red flags, all right? So that's my review of paidreels. This is my professional opinion. I've been doing this a long time. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. This is ugly right here, okay? Don't think that you can make $1.60 from watching video ads so easily because you can't. Even YouTube doesn't pay that much. So just be careful. This is your hard-earned money. Look, if you have $4,000, you should put it into something that's real and not something like this that looks too good to be true. It doesn't make sense, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. Stay away from paid reels. There are a lot of other better ways to make money online. If you're watching this video, maybe you are looking for that strategy, right? And again, like I mentioned, I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, and there's some great ways, and there's some not so good ways. But for me, out of everything that I've seen, there's still one strategy that has generated me millions of dollars, and I think it's the best way for you to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home. And this is a high income skill set that you can learn, and you don't ever have to rely on any platform like paid reels or anything like that. You can do this from anywhere in the world. If you would like that strategy for free, click the link below and I'll send that straight to your email. You can check it out if you would like. All right, I hope you enjoyed this review today. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.